Okay guys, so today I am going to show you how can you create the hidden door, or on the door you can how can you put the password and you can hide the password or the lever from which lever the door will open. You can create the game, or you can create the question and answer where the students or the user will search the answer, and once he come in that room he will be confused, how can I open this door? Okay, so without wasting our time, let's move to our screen. So guys, you can see now the Minecraft is ready, and now we are going to create the hidden door and hidden lock for it. Okay, so what will we do? First I will make the blocks here, 6 block I make it, and now I will put the lever on it. I select the lever, I put okay in all here also. Okay, now I will go to the back side, and I will create the room, which room the player will enter or our student will enter. Okay, I will go from here. I'm going to create. Okay, in the Minecraft the good thing is, yani, you don't feel bored. Like I am showing you, I am creating my room, but I hope you are not feeling bored. So very fast I am going to create the room. Once the room will be finished, then we will create the password for the room to open. You can create the city and you can put the lock on it, so the user or the player, once he will come in this room and he has to take something, or he has to take the answer, suppose from some questions, what he will find in this room, but there is no, he doesn't know the password, so the password is here, but he has to find it, where is the password is. So you can hidden the lock, and after that, once he find the lever, he can he can open the door and he can come inside the room and he can get the answer. So almost our room is finished. Just some of the blocks I want to cover this. Oops. Okay, now okay, khalas. So now from where I will go, I have to break the wall from here. Okay, so I can enter at least. Okay, now for the door I need the, okay, first I put the torch here, and this is for the door, I make it. Okay, now I am digging, because I will put the torch lalten and I will put the smoke for it, dusk for it. Okay, now this is okay, I think. Now I will take this smoke and I will put it here till where I will put the torch. Now I am coming here, I will put the torch here. This this is from the back side, so the user or the player cannot see this until he will enter the room. Now I go out now, and from the back side we will create the door. Okay, 2 is enough. Okay, now I will put the door here. Okay, and you can see now the door is open from this levers. Okay, where I put the torch on the behind. Okay, you can see now here we have to. Now I will make the door again. Okay, now this levers I have to hide it. I think this door I make a little bit on the right hand side. I remove the door and I put it here. I put the lever here. Okay, from here also it's working. Okay, so now I will remove it. I will make the door here. I will break the door from here, and because you can see now this lever I am hidden now. I am hiding this lever for the user, so the user will search because the wall is same, so he cannot think even the lever can be inside this. Okay, now I will create the wall also here. Okay, but the lever is showing, so what I do, I will break the door from here and put it little bit right. Okay, here I put the door, I put the block here, and the door will be here, so at least I can hide the levers. Okay, two levers I have to hide also on this wall. Okay, now I hide this levers. Okay, now the player will come, he will see where is the lever is, and he will not find the lever until we, yeah, he break. Now you can see from here, you can see it. So you can make it, yeah, and you can hide the lever, whatever plan you do. Just I am giving you the ideas. You can hide the levers. Okay, I put the levers here. And the lever I can put from the glass wall or from the other wall if you want to give the hint of the user. So guys, I give you the just the idea how can you create the hidden door or hidden levers, or you can put the password on your door. So I hope it's clear. If you have any question, any inquiry, you can ask me. Till the next video, take care. Bye.